Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate XCTest in Swift for unit testing, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate XCTest in Swift for unit testing, open your Xcode project. Ensure that you have Swift installed and your project is set up. In Xcode, navigate to the project navigator on the left. Right-click on your project folder in the navigator. Select New File from the context menu. In the dialog that appears, choose Unit Test Case Class under the Test section. Click Next to proceed. Name your test case class appropriately, for example, My Project Tests. Ensure the target checkbox is selected for your main project target. Click Create to add the new test class to your project. Open the newly created test file. You will see a default test function, marked with the attestable import. This allows you to access the internal methods and properties of your project. To add a test case, write a function prefixed with test. For example, create a function named testExample. Within this function, use XCTest. XCTest has various assertion methods, such as XCTAssertEqual and XCTAssertTrue. Once you have written your test cases, navigate to the top menu. Select Product and then Test to run your tests. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Command +U to execute your unit tests. Observe the results in the Test Navigator. You can track passing and failing tests easily. If any test fails, Xcode will provide detailed feedback. Make adjustments to your code as necessary based on the feedback. Repeat the testing process until all tests pass successfully. This will ensure your code functions as expected. Now that you've activated XCTest, continue to create comprehensive test cases for your project. Focusing on unit testing will improve the stability and reliability of your code. That completes the guide on activating XCTest in Swift for unit testing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech